Hi there, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at this Gen Y adjustable 2-ball mount with stacked receivers. This is going to allow you to hook your trailer up to your tow vehicle. And this will slide right into your 2-inch by 2-inch trailer hitch receiver on your vehicle. And then it's going to provide the 2-inch diameter ball and the 2 5/16 inch ball, as well as the ball paired with the Pintle lock here so that you can connect to different kinds of trailer couplers, whether it's a 2-inch ball coupler, a 2 5/16 inch ball coupler, or a lunette ring. This will allow you to tow those different kinds of trailers. Very easy to switch back and forth. So all you have to do is pull out the pin, flip the ball over if you're needing a different size, or you can remove the pin for your Pintle lock here, and then it just slides back if you're not needing to use it, so that it's out of your way, like so. So lots of different options here, so that if you're pulling different kinds of trailers, you can very easily get connected to them. Now, our balls do have different weight capacities. So for our 2-inch ball, we're going to have a gross towing weight of 12,000 pounds, which is, of course, the weight of the trailer plus the load included, and a maximum tongue weight, which is the downward pressure on the ball, of 1,500 pounds. With our 2 5/16 inch ball, we're going to have a 16,000 pound gross towing weight and a 2,000 pound tongue weight. So it is going to be very solid, give you lots of options for towing. And then, of course, we do have our 6 stacked 2-inch by 2-inch receivers that are going to accept the included ball mount and Pintle lock, as well as your other hitch mount accessories like your bike racks and those sort of things. So once you get this installed, you shouldn't have to remove it, and just give you more versatility there. But the main purpose of having those stacked receivers is having the ability to adjust our height of our ball so that we can accommodate different trailers with different coupler heights to make sure that they're going to be riding nice and level. So when we have our ball in the lowest receiver opening here, the measurement from the top of our inside edge of our receiver tube down to where that coupler is going to sit on the ball, it's going to give us a max drop of 7.5 inches. We could also flip this over, use it in the rise position, and that's going to give us a rise of 7.5 inches. So whether your coupler sits a little bit higher than your receiver tube or a little bit lower, you've got lots of adjustability there. But you also have these 2 receiver tubes stacked above, so you're not going to have to flip it over if your application sits just a little bit higher than your hitch. You have these options here so that, again, you can leave this hooked up to your hitch on your vehicle and just use those as they are. But if you do want that little extra height, you can flip it over and use it in the rise position as well. They do include these 2 5/8 inch diameter pins and clips to hold our accessories in place. So these will work not only for the included ball mount and Pintle lock, but also your other hitch mount accessories, your bike racks and those sort of things. Just your standard 5/8 inch that works with your 2-inch hitches. One thing they do not include is your hitch pins to get this secured onto your vehicle's hitch. It's just your standard 5/8 inch hole there, so you can use your current pin that you probably already have for your hitch. But if you don't have one, we do have lots of options available here at etrailer.com. You just need a standard 5/8 inch diameter pin and clip. We also have locking pins available, so if you wanted to add a little extra security, make sure that no one can come along and easily take off with your ball mount, we have those available as well. This is a nice heavy-duty steel construction, so Gen Y does have a great reputation for building very solid, robust products, and this is no exception. It is feel very heavy-duty once you get it installed. It's going to do a good job for you, allowing you to tow those heavier loads and that sort of thing. It does have a zinc primer and powder coat finish that's going to help resist corrosion. Our ball and Pintle lock also have a matte black finish on them to give them a nice look and help with that corrosion resistance. This is SAE J684 certified, so you can trust it is going to hold up well, do exactly what you need it to do. And it is also made here in the USA, so you can trust it's made to the quality standards we've come to know and trust for products that are made here in the US. But also Gen Y, that name carries a lot of reputation with it for building very solid products. And so I think you're going to be very happy with this, especially if you need that 7.5-inch drop for a trailer that you're towing regularly, and that's going to give you that option. And then you can also mount your other hitch mount accessories above there, so that you can haul them all at the same time and get more out of your hitch that way. Of course, your whole setup is only going to be as strong as your weakest component, so you want to make sure that you're never exceeding the weight of capacity of your hitch on your vehicle or your vehicle itself. So this is going to be a really nice addition to your setup, giving you that adjustability so that you can make sure that your trailer is nice and level as you're towing. So that completes our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.